I have cleared the intermediate. Uh, Both groups as per my expectations. My score
Congratulations.
is 416 marks,
Oh God,
and
that's a perfect score.
I secured exemption in all the subjects,
Awesome.
and it was great experience for me. I
Awesome.
cannot describe, but yes,
No, it's actually great.
I'm following
One,
you.
yeah,
Yes, yes, yes.
one that you scored exemptions in all subjects and you got 400 plus marks. It's awesome. And in the first attempt, I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you.
So, what is your
I'm
future
following
goals?
you from yeah, yeah. I'm like following you from since last 1 month. From the
Okay.
YouTube, I found a YouTube channel for I was seeking for articleship in Big Fours. It was my dream to get into the Big Four. So I was like just scrolling the videos down, 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 and I found your videos, and it was very helpful to me because the doubts in my mind were like I was as I'm not quite good at the English, but yes, मुझे वो डाउट के मतलब सब आंसर मिल रहे थे आपके चैनल में, तो मैंने आपके वीडियोस देखे. देन आई ओपन योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. उस पे लाइक मैंने सब ढूंढ लिया, एचआर की आईडीज वगैरह और जो कवर लेटर्स वगैरह मैसेज के, तो दैट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर मी. नाउ माय course of action is like I want to get into the big four. So in my city Baroda, there is no firm like where even not top 20 firms, no. uh, like only KC Mehta is the biggest firm of the Baroda. It is not even in top 50 firms.
Okay.
So I am I want to do my articleship in Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Pune, like where there is good opportunities for articleship and big firms.
हेलो.
Understood.
हाँ, यही पूछ रहा था लिंक्डइन का.
Hi, Tushar. We'll get back to you just a
ठीक
minute. Um,
ठीक.
So
Okay, so Preet, for you, I will say that you're thinking right. In Ahmedabad and
yes,
Mumbai, it's a good choice. What I'll suggest is I'll keep that in mind, and whenever I come across a vacancy, I'll tag you in the group and I'll share the vacancies with you. Okay. Like today I shared, so I'm sure that I saw KPMG vacancies for North Lake.
yes, I got it. Yes,
Yeah.
many vacancies. Yes.
Yeah, but keep applying because the competition is high. But since you cleared in the first attempt both groups and you have exemptions in all subject, I'm pretty sure you're going to make easily to the interviews. Just draft a good
Uh,
CV and
Didi,
yeah.
I have a doubt. Like I am like start my LinkedIn account since last like am active since last 2 or 3 weeks. So I have not so good connections, and
Okay.
300 connection, and I'm thinking that I will not get referrals that much easily because my connections are not uh, very.
I
So
understand.
I don't think so for
What I'll
getting
suggest you
referrals and.
is, I see, since your results are out, I'll suggest that you use LinkedIn Premium for 1 month. Okay. And you
I
message
yes, I already do that.
Yeah,
I
you message the
already,
top directors because see, when you shared your results with them, no, like your CV when you share with them, they're going to be impressed. So you don't have to do anything extra. I feel that when you have shared that you cleared in the first attempt, you have exemptions in all subjects, then I don't think anybody would be hesitant to refer you. Plus, at the same time, I think a lot of people have commented and shared their HR ID or their ID so that they can refer you. Correct. So you mail there also. You keep cold emailing. I'm sure somebody will either an HR will call you or probably a person will be willing to refer you.
okay, Didi. I have also one more doubt that
Yeah,
how I will get the idea of HRs of my desired location like Ahmedabad and Mumbai HRs, because IDs are I got the IDs of HRs, but it is like different location. But how can I get the IDs of the my
understood.
desired location HR?
What I'll try to do is I'll try to connect with somebody in EY only, but I can only help you with EY. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll try to track down the HRs because see, what happens is that in each attempt, the HR might change because some of the HRs might leave, some of the HRs may be hiring for some other location, correct?
Yes, Didi.
So I'll try with some of my colleagues who are working at EY Mumbai or EY Ahmedabad, and I'll try contacting them. I'll ask them who is the particular HR if they can let me know. So I'll try to share their emails with you. Works?
Thank you, Didi.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you so much.
I'm very proud of you. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you.
No worries. Anybody else who wants to share their story with me? Come on, Tushar, Pavitra, Diksha, Nandini. Guys, you've joined the session for some reason, right? And I'm going to help you no matter what.
Didi, are you living in PG or
Yeah,
at
yeah.
your home?
This is a PG.
Okay. Where are you from, Didi?
I am from Chandigarh, but I'm doing my articleship from Bangalore.
Uh, since I think 3 months you are working, and like
4 months now.
4 months. Okay.
Yeah.
What is your experience like? It is comfortable to get out of your home and
See,
doing
with
exactly.
EY, I'm happy because I see a lot of character development in me. I see a lot of learning that I would never have been able to do on my own, or probably in EY, you get a push because you're surrounded by well qualified CAs all day,
Professionals,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
Hello,
Hmm.
And then,
Nisha, I want to.
yeah, yes, Tushar. I'll get
Yes.
back to you, Preeta, on that. Okay. Let us first discuss the results.
Okay.
Yes, Mehak will take
No,
you after Tushar.
no, my result has come in September attempt.
Okay, okay.
I want to also that on Sunday session we have talked about that also.
Yeah, we did talk about that.
Yes, yes. And today I go to my resume get to the EY department in IDT domain. And for that I have to ask that key in EY how many round it take usually and time that it takes.
See, generally with EY, it depends upon the domain, one thing. Minimum, there can be 2 rounds. One is the HR round, the other is a technical round. Maximum, there can be 5 rounds. So, I'll tell you in very brief, HR round, when she calls you, she asks you some questions like introduction, why CA, why this domain. Okay? Technical is your domain related questions, your personality related, CV related questions. Then you might have a director round also. After that, you might have a partner round also. So, like either director or partner, or maybe you have both rounds. It happens like that. Then sometimes there can be a GD also. GD I've heard in PwC and Deloitte. EY rarely GD happens, but it can happen. Then you also can have an assessment. Like KPMG always has an assessment test link, correct? जो मैंने आज share किया था group पे. But EY also sometimes may give you some assessment test link. Not every time. Rarely I've seen them giving. So 5 rounds maximum.
Like I have Like my resume has been shared by one of the articles I have mentioned him like 1 week ago, but the vacancy is full at that time. But he told me that his senior asks for more CVs now, and
Got
the vacancy is only one or two. That is not much more vacancy. Therefore,
I
I
would
am saying.
suggest you seek some director level reference because ultimately the new results have come out. So they would want the fresh candidates. Plus, the domain is very niche. Like IDT is like very less sought domain. DT is a more sought domain. That's what I'm trying to say. What I'll try to tell you is seek some senior authorities references. That's the best you
Like
can.
I have sent connection requested today, but they haven't accepted.
Send more.
If they accept, what message should I send to them?
One normal short message. Introduce yourself. When did you clear? What are you writing the message for? Where do you want articleship? Which city? Which domain? All those things. IELTS training status, and then share your CV. That please can you refer me like that. I've shared a sample message already on LinkedIn. If you search Anshika Jaiswal referral,
Yes, I have seen that
yeah,
message.
yeah, use that message.
And I should connect to the location specific that only, no?
Yeah, yeah, location specific. Try domain specific also.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
No worries. Yes, Mehak, can we start with you?
Yes, ma'am. Hello. So I'm Mehak, and today I was fortunate enough to clear CA in my inter in my first attempt.
All the best.
So
Congratulations. I'm sorry.
yeah, thank you so much. So I got 329. I know it's not that much score,
Great,
but
bro. I got 325. Okay, it's great.
yeah. So but like I go to the morning college. I'm in St. Joseph's College of Commerce. So from Bangalore.
Got it.
Yeah. So like I have to manage both, and it was very difficult for me.
Mhm.
So. Yeah, but then I had this one doubt. Like, I'm trying to connect to people on LinkedIn, and I'm connecting with them, but then I'm not getting the option to message them. So, how do I like message? If I click on message, it shows me try premium and stuff like that. And how do I like connect, like communicate with them?
Got it. So, see, I'll explain you a very simple feature of LinkedIn. One is you are sending out a connection request. Second is they're accepting it. So, even if you have sent a connection request, unless and until they're accepting it, you cannot message them. That is a problem. So, I'm not
Okay.
saying that
They,
all directors will not accept your request. Most directors accept requests, but very few of them reply. So, keep sending requests, or best you can
maybe
LinkedIn Premium. Simple.
maybe she's not sending connection request. She's
Follow,
following them.
maybe. So,
Oh,
One of my friend also did that in starting.
following and sending connection request, because for me it shows, for some people it shows following, and for some people it shows connection.
no, no, no,
There
no.
is other option
You-
when you click on the three dots side. There is option
Yeah,
to
not just that, Mehak. When you open their profile, no, on left hand side you'll have a follow option. On right hand side you'll have a connection request option. So that's how you can share. Like you can send them a connection request.
Oh, okay. So when they accept it, I'll be able to DM them.
Correct, correct. But since the vacancy is already out, I'll suggest you take that 1 month free trial of LinkedIn Premium. Use that.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
Don't wait
And
around.
also, ma'am, according to you, which one would be better? Like, would it be better if I work in a mid-sized firm which has flexibility and like which provides a good, or should I work in a big four? Big four comes with its own challenges, that's obvious, but
See, Mac, I'm going to tell you some factors that you should take into consideration for joining, okay? So, what you should do is one thing, what is your future goal? If you want to get into corporates, Big Fours is a very good choice at articleship point of time because after you've cleared your CA, the competition is very high and the packages are competitive. And if you have done articleship already from Big Fours, you will have a good chance of securing, jobs in companies like Bain, McKinsey, not just Big Fours, even beyond Big Fours. So that's one thing. Second thing, if you want to start your own practice, it's always recommended that you do articleship from mid-size because in mid-size firms, the learning level is very different. They teach you how to invite clients into the business, how proper procedures are done. Because in EY, what we do is we don't have that kind of a knowledge. Like what knowledge I will have, it will be majorly related to some areas of audit. For example, PPE, tangible, intangible. Then I may have inventory in my hand. I may have payroll, but I will not have good areas like revenue and everything, right? But in
yes.
firms, you get a lot more experience. But even I want to start my own practice after some years of becoming a CA.
Huh.
So I'm trying both. It depends upon you basically. See, flexibility is a point, but trust me, maximum rank holders that I've seen, they come out from Big Fours only.
Yeah, that
You
makes sense.
can manage everything. Trust me, we can manage. Not all days are the same. Some days
But
we get work from home, so we can study more. So don't think from flexibility point of view.
but I'm really scared. Like the process of getting into Big Four scares me. Like I am like like even if I cleared, I'm just stressing about the thing. Like it's so difficult to get into Big Four. I've been crying about it all the time.
See, you've got that into my consideration. I'll make sure that you don't face any problem. I can guarantee you I'll help you a lot. Works?
Okay. So, ma'am, I've tried to make a resume. So, if you can, I DM it to you on LinkedIn
Yeah,
or
just message me on WhatsApp. I'll save your number so that I remember that I have to be in contact with you. Same with you, Preet. Message me on WhatsApp.
like, feel like you should have been happy you passed today in your first attempt, but I've been crying since morning because I really have this thing to get into Big Four, but then I'm not able to,
See,
connect the dots of what to
that's the
do, how
dark
to do.
side. That's the dark side of Big Fours. But trust me, Mehak, you will not face struggle. You'll pass in the first attempt. You're a brilliant student. Trust me, it'll be smooth for you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Very grateful. Thank you so
No
much.
worries. Just message me on WhatsApp. I'll get back to you with every doubt you have. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you for.
No worries, Mehak. Anybody else?
Hello, ma'am.
Tushar is being witty for no reason. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Please tell me.
Ma'am, this is Pavitra from Coimbatore, ma'am. I have cleared CA Inter in my first attempt today, ma'am. So
Congratulations.
I have a doubt that should I put the references in my CV, ma'am?
No need for that. See,
Oh,
even if you put your references in CV, it's not going to do any good because the HR, if she's receiving the CV from some director partner, that makes an impact because there is a strong chance that they might not even open your CV. That's the truth about Big Fours. They get a lot of applications.
okay.
So I'll guide
Okay,
you
ma'am.
that you message the
Uh,
people on LinkedIn and they will directly send your CV to the HR.
yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, and I'm trying to get articleship in Big Four in Chennai, ma'am.
Got
So
it?
how can I connect to people for that, ma'am?
Okay. What you do is, like you want to connect with the articles to know about the Big Fours or with the directors for references.
For references, ma'am.
Got it. Simply, not just with EY, for any Big Four, any company, what you do is on the search button on LinkedIn, first you type the company name. Suppose it's EY. Okay. So EY colon the location. You can write Pune. So if for you Chennai, so you write EY colon Chennai colon director or partner manager. These three positions you can seek good references from. Partner is the highest one, director is a level below, and then comes the senior manager. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
you do that, you will find a list of people. Then when you find that list, you can also shortlist the people who are in the respective domain where you want the articleship. Suppose you want in stat
Yes,
audit.
ma'am.
So you'll find it in their profile only if they're working in assurance. So you can connect with them because it's always recommended same location, same domain.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, my ITT has not been completed yet, ma'am. It is from 10th March to 24th March. So is that okay, ma'am, to apply for Big Four?
Absolutely okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Don't wait around, apply ASAP.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Great. No worries, Pavitra. Congratulations once again. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Anybody else?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Xiaomi. I think you're again on mute. Unmute yourself and speak up. Guys, am I audible? Okay. Does anybody else want to speak up?
Ma'am,
Yes, Pavitra.
ma'am, can I send my CV to you and can you review it, ma'am?
Sure.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
No worries. Okay. So, Ruchika, Navita, Roshni, Muskan, do you guys want to? Guys, we don't have much time. This session will end around 9:54. So,
Hello,
Hello
Anshika.
ji.
hi, Ruchika.
Actually, you told to DM the partners or directors. So
Yes.
I did the same yesterday, but to be honest, they didn't responded. And like, what's the right approach to what's the right kind of message we should text to them?
See, the message should ideally include the necessary elements. When did you clear? Any of the extras you want to flatter him about, your exemptions, first attempt, all these things, ranks. Then current status of your college, ITOC training, where you want to do articleship, location, domain, and the formal request of you wanting them to refer you. Just that, and your CV along with.
Okay, thank you.
And even if they're not responding, see, Ruchika, I'll be very honest. I have lost the count of how many people I texted during my hunt, okay? But eventually you don't have to stop. So even if they're not responding today, keep sending out messages. Text at least 100 people.
Okay, even if someone didn't responded, can I take follow up or to only those who had replied?
Yeah, you follow up only when they have said that, okay, they will. Okay, because follow up is basically they have done something. Now you're expecting an answer from them only, but they have not told you anything. What is the status? So follow up is you're asking the status. What is the status of my application? You can't ask that from somebody, who hasn't even tried to do anything for you.
Okay, thank you.
No
One
worries.
more question I have.
Yes.
That the email is like a cover letter has not to be sent separately. It has to be part of email and resume has to be attached with it, right?
Yes, it's not compulsory to have your cover letter also, but it is better because then you can explain everything, right? You can even put some good words why you should be hired. And in the first paragraph, all the necessary details of the cover letter. And yes, CV always has to be in the attachment in PDF format.
Thank you.
No worries, Vachika. Yes, guys. Anybody else?
हेलो हेलो अंशिका दी, कैसे हैं आप?
Hi, Sakshi. I'm good. How are you?
आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन. यू आर वेरी स्वीट दी. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे फेस टू फेस बात करके.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
मैम मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है, लाइक फॉर बिग फोर्स इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस बहुत मेन होता है, तो मैम बेसिक टिप्स आप बता सकते हैं इंटरव्यू क्लियर करने के, अपार्ट फ्रॉम स्टडीज. स्टडीज तो हमें करनी पड़ेंगी, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट.
See, the thing is that just a minute. I'm getting a message. I'll get back to you, Muskan, on that. Okay, so Sakshi, देखो होता क्या है ना कि even if you have studied well, the thing is how you are presenting your answers, because in Big Four interviews, they're not looking for elaborative answers. They're looking for the keywords. Suppose अगर वो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि अगर सपोज आप कैश एंड बैंक का ऑडिट कर रहे हो, अब मेरा डोमेन नॉलेज है इसलिए एग्जाम्पल मेरा ऑडिट का ही होगा. So let us suppose
यस
they're
मैम.
asking you how will you audit cash and bank. So you can start with normal procedures. हमारे ऐसे है कि हम लास्ट ईयर बैलेंसेस के साथ करंट ईयर बैलेंसेस को चेक करते हैं कि क्या ओपनिंग बैलेंस करेक्ट है या नहीं. Then we check completeness, we reperform the BRS, we recalculate all those things, right? तो जो मैंने keywords बोले कि हम लास्ट ईयर क्लोजिंग बैलेंसेस को करंट ईयर में चेक करते हैं कि क्या वो ओपनिंग मैच कर भी रहे हैं या नहीं, ये की टर्म हो गया. अब जैसे मैंने रीपरफॉर्मेंस बोला, रिकैलकुलेशन बोला, ये भी की टर्म हो गए। तो अगर आपने ऐसे की टर्म्स अपने आंसर्स में यूज करे हैं, it doesn't matter how well you studied. Even if I've seen people who have studied so well, but even they're not able to answer properly because their communication skills are not good. Second, they're not able to put that information in precise. So in big four interviews, what you should focus on is one thing, communication skills, which includes your body language, spoken English. जैसे मैं अभी hand movements कर रही हूँ, so even that is a part of my body language. Then the how are you speaking? Like अभी I'm calm. I shouldn't be very excited. I shouldn't be sulking also, right? So that is something. Then how well are you able to present your answers? How confident you are? And the best tip I give, don't answer a question unless you know the answer is correct, 100%. गलत आंसर मत करके आओ, चाहे ये बोल दो कि सर नहीं आता बट आई कैन ट्राई, ऐसे कर सकते हो, बट डोंट आंसर रॉन्ग। दैट इज वन गोल्डन टिप। एंड जब भी तुमसे कुछ पूछ रहे हैं, टेक अ पॉज ऑफ 3-4 सेकेंड्स, थिंक एंड देन आंसर। जब तुम सोच के आंसर करते हो हमेशा आउटपुट अच्छा आता है। दैट्स माई टिप्स फ्रॉम माई साइड।
Okay, Di, thank you.
नो वरीज, ऑल द बेस्ट साक्षी।
Thank you very much.
हाँ, Muskan, you were saying that if suppose I want to get into stat audit, so can I apply in other domains also? In the same company. देखो, this meeting will end in 10 minutes, so please let's wrap this up quickly. Muskan, let's see. Suppose stat में बहुत ज़्यादा competition है, I might not get in. But what if I'm desperate enough to get into the big fours only for articleship because I want मेरा आगे का journey smooth रहे and I get the best out of best and maybe I can apply for transfer in some months. So yes, I will say having a backup option in the same company, चाहे domain कोई और हो, is a good option. But at the same time, I will never say that go run for brand but not for domain. First, your preference should always be domain. Second should be the company. Because if you're not enjoying what you're doing, if you're not liking the subject core, जिसमें आपका काम experience होगा, there is nothing the company can do. All right. So suppose you are wanting to get into audit. अब वो audit जो मर्जी हो, चाहे वो stat हो, risk advisory हो, forensic हो या concurrent हो, you can apply in these domains. Or maybe if you're interested in tax and audit, so you can apply in multiple domains. But I will not say don't apply in a domain where your interest doesn't lie, even if a same company. Yeah. Okay.
Di, one more question. Like in first year articleship, I want to transfer in industrial training, but many of the big fours not allow transfer cases.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Big Fours are the only ones who allow transfers, and you can't actually take transfer in the first year. You can take transfer only in the starting of the second year.
Yes, ma'am. First year complete करने के बाद.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, तो फिर बिग फोर्स अलाउ करते हैं ट्रांसफर
Big
मतलब.
Fours ही allow करते हैं. I have never seen GT doesn't allow. BDO, I'm not sure, but I don't think it allows. Then Nangi and all, even they don't allow. It's only the Big Fours, and I'm telling you, वो लोग भी इस rule को हटा देंगे because see, they spend a lot of manpower and time and a lot of money on hiring articles. हमें लगता है कि उनके पास बहुत applications आ रही हैं, but they seriously take a lot of time to hire the quality candidates, right? अब तुम सोचो कि वो एक साल में छोड़ के चला जाएगा। ओहो, लाइट चली गई। अब तुम सोचो कि वो एक साल में छोड़ के चला जाएगा, तो obviously no, they will not want that kind of work culture to exist in the big fours. So like this is a word around the corner. Like जिनसे भी मैं डिस्कस करती हूँ industrial training, they tell me this only कि अब it's getting difficult, but ऐसा नहीं कि वो allow नहीं कर रहे. If you are on good terms with your seniors, they'll allow you. It's nothing like that.
Okay, thank you, Di.
No worries. हाँ जी. Okay.
Ma'am, you are in Big Four EY Bangalore, right?
Yes, Mehak. And don't call me ma'am, guys. Call me Didi and Shika, whatever you want.
Acha, okay.
Yeah.
Is it the one which is near this? Where is this EY? I forgot.
So there are 4 EY offices in Bangalore, Mehak. So see,
Huh.
explain you one concept. EY India is different. SR Bartley Boy is different. SR Bartley Boy is only for chartered accountants because EY is a foreign company as per our Companies Act and as per the audit rules in India.
Yes.
We
हाँ.
foreign companies cannot conduct audit in India. All right.
Right. Correct.
And EY cannot conduct because it is a UK based company. So
Yes.
what happens is they have acquired SR Bartley Boy, which is an Indian company. So it is
Correct.
under EY. We are the employees of EY, but we are on the payrolls of SRB, which is SR Bartley Boy. Now,
Wow.
EY India has a lot of offices in Bangalore. Don't get me started on that. Even I don't know how many offices they have. But SR
Yes.
Bartley Boy has 4 offices.
हाँ.
One in UB City where I work, which is the Vijay Mallya wala, जहाँ पे उनका घर है, जहाँ पे
Yes.
सब
हाँ,
कुछ
पता है.
towers. Then second office is in Prestige Shanti Niketan, जो अभी नया बना है. Third office is in
Okay.
Divyashri Chambers, which is in Richmond Circle. That is for tax. And the fourth office is the very new office, which is in EY Mark Square. वहां पर अब हमारी रिस्क एडवाइजरी टीम बैठती है. So UB is now for stat, DC is for tax and your मतलब उसके अलावा भी और डोमेन होंगे जैसे हमारे यूबी में स्टैट और आईटी वाले बैठते हैं एंड
हाँ हाँ.
इट्स completely for risk advisory now.
अच्छा. तो मैम मतलब मैं अभी आपको मेरा सीवी भेज दूंगी तो आप भी रेफरल दे सकते हैं क्या ईवाई में?
See, I can refer you, but I can only refer you via the portal. Okay. But
Okay.
the problem is that in the last attempt, in September attempt, I referred a lot of candidates. Nobody made it to EY because competition was very much, and an article trainee referring is not going to help you guys, honestly.
Okay.
And I am not in
हाँ.
contact with any of the HRs. मेरी जो HR है मेरा खुद फोन नहीं उठाती वो. So I can't help you with that. Anyway, Mehak, I'll get back to you on the referral thing, but yes, try the senior authorities only.
Okay. Okay.
Ruchika,
Thank you.
saying should we send a personalized email or a general email? No, Ruchika, this is a very good question. You should always send a personalized email. Never ever send an email जिसके अंदर तुमने BCC CCC करके कितने लोगों को तुमने email करा होता है. Please never do that. Never ever do that. Always send personalized email. And if you suppose मेरा email ID anshika.jaiswal1@srb.com है. Right. So you can make out from that ID कि ये अंशिका का नाम है. So you can be like, hi Anshika, so and so, and the company's name. But you cannot do this in emails जो आपने regular सब एक उसमें आपने tag करा हुआ है. Correct? That is why personalized emails are the best. Guys, do you want me to take another session? I can join Re again because this meeting is going to end very soon. Like 3 minutes में खत्म हो जाएगा ये.
हेलो मैम.
Hi Roshni.
हेलो.
Tell me.
दीदी मुझे प्लीज गाइड कि आर्टिकलशिप के लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन कब करना है एंड सीए फाइनल्स के लिए कब करना बेटर रहेगा?
Got it. See, Gurpreet, I'll get back to you. Roshni, for your articleship, you have a last date. ठीक है? उस लास्ट डेट तक आपने ज्वाइन करना होता है. आई थिंक फॉर यू गाइस इट इज 30th April. So till then you have to join a firm and you have to register yourself within 1 month of joining. So suppose if you join on 30th April, you have to get yourself registered with ICAI within 1 month, which is 30th May. And
एंड
regarding
मैम फॉर फाइनल?
Yeah, CA final registration. See, मैंने अभी तक नहीं करवाया. उसके different reasons है. But the sooner the better. That is my opinion.
और दीदी बोल रहे थे कि जैसे आर्टिकलशिप में इफ आई एम बेसिकली बिग फोर प्रेफर करते हैं कि जो लोग फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में सीए क्लियर किए हैं और बेसिकली सॉरी सीए इंटर क्लियर किए हैं फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट को या फिर अटेम्प्ट जो दे रहे हैं वो उनको भी प्रेफर करते हैं?
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. All depends upon your interviews, your references, and your CV. अगर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट है इट इज
और
डेफिनेटली इट इज अ ब्राउनी पॉइंट. बट अगर नहीं भी है, मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट नहीं है. मेरी मेरी एग्जाम सिर्फ 2 थी. आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू गाइस. तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. यू कैन गेट इट टू द बिग फर्स्ट इवन व्हेन यू डोंट हैव फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट और यू हैव अटेम्प्ट्स मोर देन 2 or 3. स्टिल यू कैन गेट. गुरप्रीत फॉर
तो
यस यस रोशनी.
तो मैम जैसे बोल रही थी कि अगर मैं टारगेट करती हूँ मीडियोकर फर्म मिड साइज फर्म तो क्या मुझे अप्लाई करना चाहिए आर्टिकलशिप के लिए फॉर अगर बिग फोर में भी अप्लाई करना है या फिर अदर फर्म्स में?
It depends upon you. If you want to join the big fours, of course you should apply there.
ओके, थैंक यू।
No
मैम
worries.
बोलती अगर सीवी मैं आपको सेंड कर दूँ, यू कैन यू प्लीज रिव्यू दैट
Yeah, yeah,
एंड
of
हेल्प मी
course, of
आउट प्लीज?
course. Guys, we only have 1 minute. I'll be very quick now.
थैंक यू।
If you want another session, message on WhatsApp. I'll schedule अभी ही, like 5 minutes में इसके बाद. See, for M&A, Gurpreet, M&A के अंदर you will have your accounting standards. थोड़ा बहुत टैक्स का पोर्शन उसके अंदर आ सकता है. थोड़ा बहुत कंपनी लॉ, ऑल द रेगुलेशंस ऑन मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशंस, वो सब कुछ होगा. आई थिंक देयर आर सम पीडीएफ्स बाय सीए मॉन्क, उसके अंदर एमएनए का बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट दिया हुआ है. यू शुड रेफर दैट. नाउ गाइस, टेल मी, डू यू वांट मी टू हैव अनदर सेशन और is this one enough? Like we can have one
मैम
on weekend, we can have one right now also. It's your choice if you want to ask something. Okay, fine, fine. We'll have another one, Gurpreet, no worries. I'll just same link पे join कर लो जिसको भी join करना है. ठीक है? And I'll share the recording on YouTube, of course.
मैम
Sorry?
मैम आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, yes, Prince. Prince, join the next one. We'll talk there.
ओके मैम।
Okay.
मैम I send you CV, you can review it.
Of course, of course.
Okay मैम, थैंक यू।